We recommend watching the entire video before proceeding with the assembly and installation of the printer to carry out the entire process in a continuous manner. Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. Here is the unboxing and installation process for the DTF InkOne DM4 printer. We start by opening the box using a screwdriver and a hammer. Remove the iron protector by unscrewing the screws on both sides. Then, take out all components and unpack the printer. We remove the carriage head protector. Next, we proceed with the assembly of the printer stand. Unscrew the floor bracket supports and repeat the process on the other bracket. Insert the side bars on both sides and secure them with screws. Place and align the bottom connecting bar between the sides, securing it with screws on both ends. Flip the stand over and attach the second bottom bar, securing it with screws but not tightening them completely yet. Install the middle bar. Once all three bars are in place, tighten all screws on each bar securely. Unscrew the bolts on the wheels to install the bars that will hold the paper support. Cover the holes with the decorative caps. Next, install the paper support, loosely screwing each bolt, and once aligned, fully tighten them. Secure the bars previously installed to the paper support with screws. Finally, unscrew the nuts on both sides of the roll support and position it. Once aligned, tighten the nuts to secure everything properly. Ensure the 35 cm film is oriented correctly during installation. Tighten the screws to secure the film in place. Lift the pressure lever. Guide the film through the lower guide bar to the printing platform. Align the position correctly and lower the paper pressure wheel. Use the limiters to secure the film edges. Turn on the printer from the back. Turn the safety button to lift it and power on the printer. Connect the network cable directly from the printer to the computer. It is important to make a direct connection and use a gigabit network card. Now let's install the driver. First, insert the silver USB containing the Hosensoft driver. Create a folder on your computer named InkOne. Then, copy all the contents of the USB into this folder. Safely eject the USB. Next, go to the Windows Security section. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and add the InkOne folder to Antivirus Exclusions. Once done, go back to the InkOne folder and extract the contents of the compressed file. Locate the print desk file and create a shortcut on your desktop. Open the program. If your interface is in another language, you can change it. To do this, go to the last tab, select the last section, and click on the second button. In the Language tab, choose your preferred language. For the changes to take effect, close and reopen the program. Now let's configure the IP parameters. Click on Advance, then Net Settings, select TCP, and enter the IP address 192.168.127.25. Click Set. If the connection turns green, it means it has connected successfully. Next, test the connection with the machine. Click the left button and check if the printhead moves correctly. Repeat the same process with the right, forward, and backward buttons. Now let's place the dampers, starting with the color ink dampers. Remove the dampers from their packaging and place one in the second row, as these correspond to color inks. Then measure the tube to determine the necessary height. Once measured, cut the 4 tubes for the color inks. Next, connect the dampers to the tubes. Repeat the same process for the white ink tubes, measure the height, cut the tubes, and place the dampers. Unscrew the ink cap and insert the corresponding ink. Place clean paper under the ink bottle to avoid ink splashes. Remember to shake the white ink well before inserting it. Proceed to remove the air. Using a syringe, remove the air from the damper. The small amount of ink extracted should be discarded. Repeat this process for each damper. Ensure that when removing the syringe and reinserting the damper into the printhead, there are no ink leaks that could reach the printhead connectors or other electronic components, as this could cause a short circuit. Repeat the same process for the white ink dampers.
Once we have all the dampers in position, we go to the controller to do a head test.
Click on Settings and then on Load Ink. Click Stop after 30 seconds and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Click Load Ink again. Click Stop after 30 seconds. Then, clean the injector. It is recommended to perform a normal cleaning first and then a light cleaning. Click Check to print or click Adjust. Click Nozzle Check. Click Print Adjustment. There are broken holes, oblique lines, and color areas. A clogged injector might be the cause. Cleaning is required until the ink injector is in optimal condition. Now let's install the software. First, copy the files to the desktop. Then run the software installer and install it. When prompted for the activation code, enter it and click OK. Click Copy. Once finished, close the installer. Extract the files from the compressed folder. Open the program to start configurations. First, select the printer model and click Next. Then choose the File option. Define the path where the ripped images for the driver will be saved. Click Finish. Now configure the default properties. The first step is to add the color profiles found on the USB. Apply the changes, and with this, the software will be configured. Now let's go through the steps to print. Start by opening Photoshop. To ensure a high-quality image, verify that the resolution is set to 300 dpi and that it is in CMYK mode. The next step is to create the spot color channel. To do this, go to Select, then Modify, choose Contract, and set 1 pixel. Next, in the Channels tab, create a new spot color channel by clicking New Spot Channel. Name it 1. Save the file in TIFF format from File, Save As. Open the Flexi Print program and add the TIFF file. Double-click on the file to access its properties. Select the width of the film to be used. For the DM4, the maximum is 35 centimeters. Choose the corresponding color profile and indicate the white ink channel. Once everything is configured, click Send. After finishing, open the Hoson Soft software and select the file. Finally, click Print.